it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with some of my favorite eye creams that aid in hydration and puffiness and fine lines and wrinkles, and they are the best eye creams in my opinion that actually work. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. There are three areas that will actually show your age immediately, and that is the eye area, the hand area, and the neck. I am 50 years old and I want to look young forever, and we all know that is not possible. There are some things and some eye creams that we can use to keep this area looking hydrated and more youthful, okay? So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna jump right into it. The first eye cream that I wanna talk about is CeraVe, okay? CeraVe, this is a great, wonderful eye cream. It says CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. It looks like this. Ingredients in it. It has water, one of the first ingredients. The third ingredient is niacinamide, okay? I like niacinamide as a serum on my skin, and this is wonderful to have under the eye area as well. The next ingredient is dimethicone, and what that is actually used as a moisturizer to treat dry, itchy skin. So sometimes with eczema, you know, it actually helps to soothe itchy, dry skin. You see a lot of that in like baby ingredients because it helps soothe itchy diaper rashes, okay? So that is what dimethicone is, and this is basically more of an emollient eye cream. What emollients do, they kind of, it's like a moisturizer and it helps to hydrate. So you will see results over time, but you will see instant gratification in hydration when applied to the skin. Let me tell you some of the benefits of this eye cream. It says reduce the appearance of dark circles and eye puffiness, and it's non-greasy, fast absorbent formula, which it definitely is. I can apply this on, it dries immediately and leave your skin hydrated. It says suitable for all skin types. Continuously release moisture ingredients for all day long hydration. It also has ceramides, will help restore and maintain the skin's natural barrier. It says hyaluronic acid helps retain the skin's natural moisture. Niacinamides helps to calm the skin, and it's fragrance free. It's also accepted by the National Eczema Association. So yes, CeraVe, it is a wonderful eye cream. Like I said, anytime you see dimethicone in an eye cream or in skincare, it actually helps with dry skin. I always look for that in any of my skincare products because I have bone dry skin. So yeah, CeraVe. The next eye cream that I want to talk about is by Wrinkles. I always talk about this eye cream because it is really great, especially if you want an eye cream that brightens the under eye area. So let me show you how this looks. And I think this eye cream runs about $9.99 if I to be exact. If not, I'll put the cost down here somewhere. It says a brightening under eye cream that combines skincare and cosmetics to give an instant illuminating and priming effect while reducing the appearance or the look of dark circles. It is for normal, dry combination and oily skin. It says that skincare concerns is dryness, fine lines, wrinkle, and dark circles. So it actually gives you an illuminating appearance while assisting with dryness and fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, love this eye cream by the Wrinkles. Okay, so the next eye cream is by Centrifuge. Hydrating eye cream with hyaluronic acid, and you guys know that is one of my favorite ingredients. Let me show you how this looks. It's a targeted eye cream, instantly replenish skin and locks in moisture to leave the delicate eye area feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, a powerful moisturizing agent, and essential components of skin, which acts as a moisture magnet to attract water to the skin, and provitamin complex, which has licorice extract in it as well. The benefits are, it's a unique gel formula, absorbs quickly like a gel, but moisturizes deeply like a cream to hydrate for 24 hours. It's suitable for all skin types. It's clinically tested and hypoallergenic, so it won't irritate skin or clog the pores. And this is basically an emollient, so this goes on and hydrates the skin. And let's see, Yes, one of the third ingredients is dimethicone. Dimethicone, like I said, again, it actually helps with dry, itchy skin under the eye area. It helps to hydrate. You also can apply this day and night. Another eye cream that I actually love. Now, for some reason, I don't like this little tube area. Get it in the jar because now I'm scraping the bottle of it. I picked this little jar up because I thought it was just cute. You know, it's just a little cute little jar. Let me show you how it looks. But this little, it goes on, but it seems like I have to do this 2 or 3 times under my eye. But the formula of this is wonderful. Just purchase it in the jar. It's much better because you can just dip your hand and apply it instead of using this little wand. And then now I have some in here and I'm trying to scrape it out the bottom. So yeah, that's the only downfall on this. However, the formula from Estee Lauder is wonderful. And it is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate Matrix, okay? This is a little pricey, though. It is a little pricey, but it works wonderful. I'm telling you. Love this eye cream. And I'm always saying I'm partial to Estee Lauder because I worked for them for years and years, and I love their skincare products. I always love their skincare products, even in my 20s. So it is for normal oily combination skin. It actually helps with dullness and puffiness under the eye area. It says it's formulates to soothe, fortify, rehydrate the eyes. The Matrix technology provides 360 plumping support that gives the eye area a more awake look. It has dimethicone in this as well. Little pricey, but definitely worth the price. It works wonders. Love it. The next eye cream is by Good Molecules, and it is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. It says revitalize and energize eyes with a soothing gel that's rich in Yerba Mate extract. Revitalize and energize tired, puffy eyes with soothing eye gel rich in Yerba Mate extract, which is a natural source of antioxidants that fight damage for brighter and radiant skin. Its lightweight, fast absorbing texture sinks into skin instantly for a seamless wear under makeup, caffeine peptides, and 3 forms of hyaluronic acid. Woo, hyaluronic acid to help plump up fine lines, reduce puffiness, and promote a bright, energized look. And I can definitely agree with that. I've used it for a month straight just to see how it actually works under my eyes. It does give you that awake feeling. It does make your eyes look brighter. And I think that's because of the caffeine. It makes your eye area look more hydrated, bright, awake. And there were some times that I've stayed up all night trying to do certain things, work on projects and things like that, that my eyes were definitely tired looking and little dark circles and things going on with the eye area. And when I applied this, and I applied it on with no makeup. There are some days that I just do not wear any makeup. I just may apply my skincare, my eye creams, and that is it. And I did see a big difference in my under eye area. Look brighter, look more awake, more alive. So yes, this is only $6, but it is wonderful by Good Molecules. And I will have the link to everything, or the names of them, and if I can find the links to each and every item, I definitely would put that under there, okay? So yeah, I love this by Good Molecules. Love it. Another eye cream that I am definitely in love with is by Symbiosis in London. I think they're based out of London, Symbiosis. But here it is right here. Let me show you this. Love this eye cream. This eye cream is very pricey. It is $93. You guys know I'm all about skincare. I love skincare, so I will invest. Revolutionary, innovative in the beauty market to form an eye mask in a cream to help tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. I guess so. You better do something for $93, huh? It says the Symbiosis Tighten and Replenish Eye Mask is formulated with hyaluronic acid. It has shea butter, and it works visibly to reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines, dark circles, for a noticeable, youthful, refreshed appearance under the eye area. I'm like, oh my goodness. It says hyaluronic acid works to penetrate deep into the skin, intensive hydration, and instantly helps improve the appearance of imperfection, fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. forming a sheer film that helps temporarily improve skin's texture and appearance. Instantly provides a skin tightening effect, and it adheres to the skin. It has shea butter as an emollient. There we are with an emollient again. And it says emollient to keep your skin young and supple, and aims to tighten and lessen the wrinkles and the appearance of fine lines. Last but not least, now this is not an eye cream, but I definitely want to share this with you guys because I definitely love this product so much, and it is by Good Molecules. It is the caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. Okay, I love these. I use them all the time. I purchased them. I ran out of them, so I purchased some more. This is a new jar. I love them, and I am affiliated with them, but however, I purchased the products over and over and over again, and I will put the link in the description box below as well. But yeah, they like little eye patches like this. They're soothing ingredients. It came with a little scoop, but I don't know where that is, so anyway. But let me tell you about these. The caffeine infused hydrogel masks work to brighten, hydrate, and reduce puffiness around the eye area in just 10 minutes. I can contest to that, and it does. Okay, they're perfect for a quick pick-me-up for puffy, tired looking eyes, and they are. Let me tell you, you know, recently, you all probably know if you follow me on Instagram, my dog died, and yeah, it kind of tore me up a little bit. I didn't know you could be so attached to your fur baby. Had her for 9 years, so I bawled and I cried so much. And these eye patches, I mean, they really help with the puffiness, because you know, when you cry, the puffiness, your eyes get puffy and swollen. And so with these patches, I'm telling you, they really help with the puffiness in my eyes. I used them today too because my eyes were just so puffy. So yeah, they definitely work. And let me see, it says to apply to dry skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. After you remove, you gently massage the remaining serum over your eyes. It is suitable for daily use, and it says can be used under the eyes, on frown lines, or anywhere the skin can use an energizing pick-me-up. So if you have laugh lines, if you around the eye area, on your forehead, anywhere that you just need a boost of like energizing lift. So I just wanted to bring this to you because I definitely noticed a big difference when I used these recently on my eye area. The puffiness went down in 10. I think I left them on for 15 minutes though, and when I removed them, the puffiness was gone. Okay, so that is all I have for you today. I hope this video was interesting and helpful, especially if you're looking for a good eye cream that helps with everything, fine lines and wrinkles and puffiness and dark circles, and eye creams that help with hydration. That's very important, especially under this eye area. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for just taking time out to watch my video. Thanks to everyone that reached out to me. I can name a few, Pam and Renee, and just thank you guys so much for just taking time out to reach out to me, to check on me. I greatly appreciate it. I really, really, really appreciated it, especially during this time. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.